beautiful stories. So we hope that you could support us and of course watch Love at First Bite every Friday 8 p.m.
Yeah, thank you so much for having us for the Love at First Bite cast and for being here. Please support our show po on I Want every Friday po at 8 p.m. on I Want.
Go, Dylan.
Hello po everyone na nandito. Maraming salamat po sa opportunity to be here. Nasabi na po nila halos lahat. Papakilala ko na lang po yung character ko na si Ethan Villanueva and sana po masubaybayan niyo po yung show namin.
Hello po, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Andy, yung pinoportray ko po si Sina Bartolome here sa Love at First Bite. And of course, sobrang grateful po kami sa inyong lahat sa I Want, sa ABS-CBN because you've been so supportive dito sa Love at First Bite. And we can't wait to show more of this story sa inyo.
Thanks, Andy. River.
Ako po si
River! River! Fresh from the BBB Nights.
I play Parker Robinson, isa po siyang bully at nakakairita. And ayun, I hope you guys can support our show, Love at First Bite, and also the other shows on IMATFC. Kaya maraming salamat.
Thank you, River. Of course, Lance. Share us more about your
Hello po,
character.
ako po si Lance Orlando. Gumaganap bilang Diamond Hernandez, ang trans woman na libero ng Brixton Boys Volleyball Team. So abangan niyo po yung episode 4 namin, palong-palo na po kami, this Friday 8 p.m. po sa I1.
Yes. Episode 4 na tayo dun, Again, first off, congratulations on the success of your ongoing show, everyone. And earlier, we had the privilege of talking to Derek Ivan, and now we have the entire cast with us on stage. So ano nga ba ang dapat pa namin abangan sa mga paparating pang episodes? Kasi pa-4th na yan, this coming Friday.
Fourth na.
Nako, one of my favorite episodes is episode 4 talaga, I swear.
Anong feels
I
yung
think-
feel namin this time?
Ako, lahat talaga, lahat. Kilig,
Sindak.
nakaiyak, grabe lahat talaga.
Mag-feel nyo dun sa episode 4, promise. Panoorin nyo po, please. Talaga. Ganda.
Surprise for you on episode 4.
Surprise?
Ramdam namin.
Surprise.
Okay, so yung mga feels natin for the next episode. Ano kaya yan, Sean?
Yes.
Kami-feel kami na-feel namin gigil. Kasi nagigigil na talaga kami ipakita yung episode 4. As in, this is one of, for me, I really like episode 4. And dami talagang feel ng mga tao dito. Yun nga, kilig, tawa, lalo kayo nakidlat. At yun, marami pa exciting stuff.
Thanks, Sean. Dylan?
Kami personally po, ang episode 4 ang favorite talaga namin ni Emilio.
Pareho sila.
So malalaman nyo talaga pag pinanood yung episode 4 kung
Okay.
bakit.
Parang nga context tayo.
Yes, yes.
Alright. How about you, Andy?
Same lang. Halakak, kilig, ang daming feelings kasi dito talaga makikita yung dynamics namin bilang mga volleyball players doing yung sa team building. Dito makikita yung friendship namin, yung closeness namin, and yun po yung aabangan niyo po.
Thanks, Andy. How about you, River? Yes!
Guys, panoorin nyo na lang. I'm sure.
Medyo ano pa siya? Nag-adjust pa.
Warming up pa rin sa outside world.
Lance.
Ayun, kagaya nung sabi ni Sean, mas gigil kasi nga palalim na ng palalim yung kwento ng bar characters sa Love at First Bite. So sana abangan niyo po this Friday na 8 p.m. sa I1.
Ayan.
Grabe. Okay, actually, I wanna ask the rest of the cast here. Unanimously, would you say the 4th episode is the best episode of the season? Or meron pa iba na best? Meron pa? What?
The way to go back up na yata yung ano natin, setup natin,
Para sa akin kasi parang mahirap mamili ng best eh. Parang lahat maganda. Pero dahil di pa natin napapanood pare-parehas yung 4,
Yan yung
yan
next favorite ko.
Yan yung favorite
Kasi
natin
last
talaga.
favorite ko yung episode 3.
Every episode is
Yung next favorite ko yung episode 4.
Next episode pa.
Oo. Baka, hindi ko lang.
Okay, I love it. Thank you guys so much. But syempre, before we let you guys go, Rain, would you like to promote to everyone how they can watch Love at First Bite and also on the new I Want app?
Hello everybody, we hope that you could watch Love at First Bite every Friday 8 p.m. This is not only about rom-com, drama, coming of age, but it's also to touch on awareness sa LGBTQIA+ community, including them, and raising awareness, of course, for also people who are trans women like Atalans here. We hope that we can storytell this properly and beautifully, so we hope that you can watch it every Friday, pang 4th episode na po namin ngayon. So, ayun, maraming salamat for having us today.
Thank you so much once again. Love at First Bite on the I Want app every Friday. But before we let them go, let's have a